Here's that big beautiful chair. Gonna need some work on the upholstery. That calf pad's all ripped out, worn out. The porcelain is in perfect condition. Got the headrest that needs some love as well. It's got the old ashtray mount right there. Base is real rusted out. I really like that it has this porcelain calf pad here. I think that looks really slick. I think we're gonna go with black with the color. We'll probably change this green out to a black, probably like an alligator print or something like that. Got the made in St. Louis. It's got the patent number, but it's all worn off, or the serial number. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chair off, have a look and see how it looks underneath. So that's the original base. They drill these holes in it so when you sit down it doesn't blow up the fabric, all the air comes out the bottom. Oh buddy, look at all that hair. This thing has probably never been cleaned. Wow, I bet everybody's hair that belonged to is dead and gone.